Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you all codes you need to redeem in the Dresden Press World Culture Update. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go to the codes menu, and the first code, you can type in Happy New Year. Oops, sorry guys. Just type in Happy New Year. Wait. Okay, and then you will get this item. Okay, and then the next one, you're going to type LNY 2025. Okay, then you will get this set. Okay guys, and that's all the codes you need to redeem in the Dresden Press World Culture Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.